My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are well at home for COVID-19. Your classes are closed for a long time. Today, I am teaching you class 8 subject English first paper dated 5/10/2020 Unit 5 Lesson 3. This is English first paper. Now here you can see a column A, column B. Here are some parts of the sentences, column A and column B, the rest of the others of the sentences, part of the sentences. Newspaper carries, at first read, newspaper carries news and views. It is a part and parcel. There are many kinds. In the morning we wait eagerly. We cannot have our breakfast. For a newspaper, in our day-to-day life of newspapers in the world of home and abroad to us, without a newspaper, paper of the day. At first you will read carefully and match the sentences, and you will make 5 complete sentences which is suitable. Newspaper carries, first, newspaper carries news and views. What will be here? Find out. Newspaper carries news and views, this of home and abroad to us. 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 Next, it is a part and parcel. It is a part and parcel in our day-to-day life. In our day-to-day life. Next, see. Next, there are many kinds. There are many kinds dash of newspapers in the world. In the morning, we wait eagerly. In the morning, we wait eagerly. Day. In the morning, we wait or reduced to 1. A. We cannot have our breakfast without a newspaper. Without a newspaper of the day. So clear the board. Now write down. A. Newspaper carries news and views of home and abroad. Home and abroad. Abroad to us. Number 1. Now clear the board now. Your space is narrow. Number 2. It is a part and partial. It is a part and partial. It is a part and partial in our day to day life. Next, number 3. There are many kinds of newspapers. Next, number 4. In the morning we wait eagerly. In the morning we wait eagerly. We wait eagerly. In the morning we wait eagerly for a newspaper. Number 5. We cannot have our breakfast first without a newspaper day. We have completed this substitution table or matching column A and column B. We have completed these 5 kinds of sentence. Now look at the chart or poster paper. Read the text below and fill in the gaps with appropriate words. Clear the board now. Clear the board now. At first read. Again, which word is suitable to fill in the blanks? Education is one of the basic needs of human beings. It is essential that any kind of development. A number of illiterate dash in Bangladesh do not have any knowledge of health, sanitation and population control. If they were dash, they could lead a healthy and plant life. Education teaches us dash to earn well and how to spend well. It enables us to dash the right choice in life and to perform our duties properly. This is the passage. You will read this passage again and again. Next, you will fill the gaps to collect suitable words with your own efforts. So, here, look at. Education is one of the basic needs of human beings. It is essential that what will be here for next. It is essential for any kind of development. A number of illiterate dash what will be a people in Bangladesh do not have any knowledge of health, sanitation and population control. If they were Number C. What will be here? They are educated. Educated. You may write down literate. Knowledge level, etc. You may write down any one of this. Educated, learned, etc. Number D. What will be here? Read out. Education teaches us. D. Here two are. Teaches us. Here will be what is suitable. Here will be how. How to earn well and how to spend well. It enables us to dash the right choice in life. What will be here? A. Select. You may make etc. Select the right choice in life and to perform our duties properly. They say we have already fulfilled these 5 plans in this classes. This is you will find out this question number 7. Question number 7. Here 5 marks. But in the past, there were matching column A, column B, matching of the sentences from column A, column B. Here number 8. You will find out this question number 8. So stay safely at your home for COVID-19. Be careful, always maintain social distance, wash your hands with soap, use mask and hand gloves. So, always divide up gathered people when you go to market, town and other works. So be careful for this. The name of our school is Sahosh Nagari Secondary School. I am English teacher. My name is Madhusudan Dali. So I welcome all for online class on the behalf of this institution. Your next, I am giving your home task. Transformation of sentences transformation of sentences and conversation of sentences. Conversation of sentences. What is transformation of sentences? Transformation of sentences. Transformation sentences have the formation of the sentence is same but meaning is unchanged. Here, conversion of sentences. What is conversation of sentences? Conversation of sentences is that here meaning also change, and formation of the sentence is same. So this is conversion of sentences. So your class is end to that. Thank you very much. Goodbye, students.